Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use Samsung Gaming Hub, connect controllers, access cloud gaming services, and start playing games on your Samsung Smart TV in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Check if your TV supports Gaming Hub. First, make sure your Samsung TV supports Gaming Hub. Most Samsung Smart TVs from 2022 and newer include this feature. 1. Press the home button on your Samsung remote. 2. Go to Media. 3. Look for Gaming Hub, connect to the internet. For smooth cloud gaming, you'll need a fast and stable internet connection. At least 20 megabits per second for HD gaming. 50 megabits per second or higher for the best experience. Using Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi can also reduce lag. Connect a game controller. Now let's connect a controller because most games require one. 1. Open Settings. 2. Go to Bluetooth Devices. 3. Put your controller in pairing mode. 4. Select the controller from the TV list. Open Samsung Gaming Hub. Once your controller is connected, open Gaming Hub from the home screen. You'll now see multiple cloud gaming platforms available. Xbox Cloud Gaming, NVIDIA GeForce NOW, Amazon Luna, Boosteroid. Conclusion. So that's how you can play games on Samsung Smart TVs using Gaming Hub. Honestly, it's one of the coolest features Samsung has added to their TVs. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung TV tips and gaming tutorials.